Good morning, students. Welcome back online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NBGEI AVM School, Geetapuram, Unnao. Class 11th, subject Political Science, Chapter-2, Rights in the Indian Constitution. Students, today we start our first book. Chapter-2, Rights in the Indian Constitution. Students, the importance of rights, fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution, directive principles of state policy, relationship between fundamental rights and directive principles of the state policy. It's are the points of this chapter which we discussed in our chapter. Students, objectives of this chapter are: the objective of this chapter is to study the various fundamental rights given in the Constitution of India. And students, we also learn how these rights are protected, what role the judiciary has played in protecting the interpreting these rules, these rights, and we also learn what are directive principles of state policy and what is the difference between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Students, rights given in the Indian Constitution are known as fundamental rights. Rights given in the Indian Constitution are known as fundamental rights. These are known as fundamental as these rights are considered essential for the development of personality of an individual. Listen this point again. Students, rights given in the Indian Constitution are known as fundamental rights. These are known as the fundamental as these rights are considered essential for the development of the personality of an individual. Students, you also know that how many types of rights are given in our Constitution. But I recall you, fundamental rights which have given in the Constitution are right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Okay, that's all.